today, the 14th of June, is a commemoration of World Blood Donor Day. We ask, how has the COVID-19 pandemic affected donations? Has there been fewer blood donations, or are people continuing to support as usual? Dr. Solom Zingobo from the South African National Blood Service joins us now on the Midday View to discuss this very issue. Dr. Ngobo, good afternoon. Welcome to the Midday View on eNCA. How's the blood bank?
Good afternoon, Moyan and your viewers.
How's the blood bank?
Under the circumstances, we are doing well. Under the circumstances of COVID-19, we are doing well. And today, being the 14th of June, 2021, being the World Blood Donor Day, we would like to pay a special tribute to our donors who have heeded the call to donate this gift of life called blood. Even under the circumstances, the COVID circumstances that we are functioning under, our donors have not deserted us.
I must say I'm surprised. I must say I'm surprised that you're doing well despite the pandemic. Why do you think your donors are still giving despite the challenges of the pandemic?
Of course, there are challenges that are related to the pandemic, but despite that, we have been reasonably able to service the patients of South Africa. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought a lot of challenges to us. For instance, we are not able to gain access to our blood donors as we could have been in the past. For instance, we are not able to access the donors easily in their workplaces because there are also restrictions in terms of going to their workplaces because of COVID. And also, we have been affected in terms of accessing our learners, be it at schools or at universities, because of COVID-19. As you know, a lot of students are learning online. So as a result, we're not able to access the students. And also, we have not been able to access the scholars as well. So COVID has brought a lot of challenges.
Now, Dr. Ngobo, yeah, sorry to come in there, Dr. Ngobo. You are just in answering that question, you're talking about problems of access. You can't do blood donation drives in workplaces because people are working from home. Many workplaces are closed, as an example.
Exactly.
You can't go to shopping malls rather, and set up blood donation drive. But you say you are doing well. So, I mean, do you have enough supply?
No, I'm not saying we're doing well. I'm saying we're doing well under the circumstances of the COVID-19.
So do you have enough blood?
We have had challenges. No, we don't have enough blood. We have had challenges, again, because of COVID-19, of the fact that there has been less donation. As a result, there are where we are not able to our days cover, which ideally should sit at 5 days. And in most of the days during this COVID pandemic, we have been sitting at less than 3 days at times. So we are having problems in terms of low numbers of donation because of COVID.
Okay, now as we conclude, what would your appeal be, Dr. Ngobo, to somebody who's watching this and to the donors who are there but have not been able to be accessed due to the pandemic on this World Blood Donor Day, when you are honoring the ongoing donations? What would your appeal be?
On this World Blood Donor Day, I would like to appeal to our donors to lift up their sleeves, go to the nearest blood centers where they can donate blood and save their fellow South Africans. And there's no such a great feeling than knowing that your 1 unit of blood has saved your fellow South Africans from life-threatening conditions. There's no better feeling than that, and there's no better gift that you can give someone that you may never meet than the gift of blood.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Solom Zingobo, with that appeal. He's from the South African National Blood Service. I mean, I've witnessed in the past their drives in action. They do everything possible to make sure it's done safely. But there are challenges, of course, due to the pandemic. But maybe we can still donate, because every drop counts.